everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Noelle, a health educator with WVU's Family Nutrition Program, and today I'm going to show you how to make a yogurt parfait, which is not only incredibly yummy, but it is also healthy and fast. It's perfect for breakfast or a snack anytime. Ready? Let's go. So to make our parfait, we need 2 cups of low-fat vanilla yogurt, 2 cups of low-fat granola, and 2 cups of any kind of fruit you want. If it's frozen, you need to thaw it. If it's canned, you need to drain it. And if it's bigger than a bite size, you need to chop them up into smaller pieces. And then you need a pretty clear glass bowl or glass so that you can show off your incredible artwork. So the first thing we're going to do is take a ½ cup of yogurt and layer that in the bottom of our glass. And then we're going to put a ½ cup of fruit on top of it. You can mix different kinds of fruit if you want. If you use canned fruit though, make sure that you buy the kind that is canned in juice and not sugar, syrups, because that just adds a lot of extra calories that we really don't need. And then we're going to add a ½ cup of granola on top. Just got granola all over my countertop, but that's okay. So that is how easy it is to make the parfait. Now, if you're going to make them ahead of time, don't put the granola on it until you're ready to eat it, because otherwise the granola will get soggy. Now, this parfait has 3 different food groups in it. It has a dairy, it has a fruit vegetable, and it has a grain. If you want to up your game and add a little more to it, you could add some chopped nuts or sliced almonds on top of it. That'd give you a 4th food group, the protein group. And that is practically a full meal all by itself. Don't forget to store them in the fridge because the yogurt will go bad. The granola you want to store outside of the fridge because you don't want it to get soggy. So that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoy your parfait, and thanks for watching. See you next time.